Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve this expression to find out the value of x. So the value of x, 6 divided by x multiplied by 3 equal to 9. Now this multiply 6 times 3, they give us 18 divided by x equal to 9. Now both side we multiply x. So both side multiply by x. Now the equation become x multiplied by 18 divided by x equal to 9 multiplied by x. So they give us this x cancel with this x, equation become 18 equal to 9x. Now we find x, so we both side divide by 9. This 9 with cancel with divide by 9 and they give us both side divided by 9. So 18 divided by 9 equal to 9x divided by 9. So 9 with cancel with 9 and 2 9s are 18 and 2 9 1s are 9. So they give us 2 equal to x, or x is equal to 2. So the final answer is x is equal to 2.